Welcome back to Product Critique, where we bring you the latest and greatest products on the market. Today, we're diving into what many are calling the best magnetic mesh screen door available, the original easy install magnetic screen door by Flux Phenom. Let's see what makes this product stand out from the crowd. If you're tired of dealing with pesky bugs invading your home every time you open the door, then you're going to love this magnetic screen door. It's designed to keep insects out while allowing fresh air to flow freely through your home. Let's talk about installation. This screen door is incredibly easy to install. No tools required. Simply follow the included instructions, and you'll have it up and running in no time. One of the standout features of this screen door is its magnetic closure system. With 26 powerful magnets lining the middle seam, the door automatically snaps closed behind you, ensuring that no bugs sneak in. And don't worry about your furry friends. This screen door is pet-friendly, allowing your pets to come and go as they please without letting bugs in. Now, let's talk durability. Made with high-quality polyester material, this screen door is built to last. It can withstand regular use and is perfect for households with a lot of foot traffic. Whether you're using it as a patio mosquito net or as a screen door for your front door, this magnetic screen door fits doorways up to 38 by 82 inches, making it a versatile option for any home. In summary, the original easy install magnetic screen door by Flux Phenom is a game changer when it comes to keeping bugs out and letting fresh air in. With its easy installation, pet-friendly design, and durable construction, it's no wonder why so many people are raving about this product. That's all for today's review. Be sure to check out the link in the description to get your hands on the best magnetic mesh screen door on the market. And don't forget to subscribe for more product reviews and recommendations. Until next time, happy shopping!